Okay, I'm going to try and show you a back test, and we're going to start off with a weekly cup and handle strategy. You can see it right here. And this strategy is really a strategy group, and it consists of all of these different individual signals right here. And then each one of them has their own set of parameters, like so, all the way down the list. And over here is the list of symbols that are going to be tested. So what I'm going to do first is go over to manage strategy groups and get down to the cup with handle weekly down here. Click on that, and then go into the symbol list. Make sure that this is the proper interval of weekly, which it is, and then we're going to update this. And you see we have a total of about a little over 300 symbols here that are going to be tested. So we've got it's comprised of the S&P 100, Dow Jones, NASDAQ 100s. I've got aerospace and defense and some stock funds. We'll go back over to strategies and make sure that this is correct. All these numbers are right. That's good. And from there, we'll go over here for portfolio settings. I have one stop set, which is a 15% profit target. And what happens is that if that profit target is met for 1 week, trading stops until the following week. So that's what I typically use, the 15%. Okay, next is to go over here. We're going to update this last date to make it current, and that's going to be November 10th, which was last Friday. 10 years back is a little long for me. I'm going to cut that down to 9 years, and then click perform. Move this over to one side. And over here, take a look at, let's see here if I can take a look at, there's a CPU. I'm looking at Wi-Fi. Make sure that there's a good Wi-Fi connection and that there's good data transmission. This is looking good. Okay, that's a good sign to see a green bar there. That means that the bars are loading, and the next step is going to be to actually run the back test on all the symbols. And as that testing goes, okay, you're going to see that green bar extend along that line. And then we'll look at the results. Almost to the end. There we have it. Okay. Now we can view the results just by clicking here. And what do we have here? Well, we have a total return of $1,222. Remember, that's based on 1 share per trade. This, if you go through here on the settings tab, you can see all the individual settings for all the different signals. Now here it says trade size 100, but if your signal has an individual setting of the number of shares, then this number here, 100, will be overridden by the settings in the signal. So I have all the signals set for 1 share. There's all the different strategies and all the respective parameters. And there's the symbol list right there. Okay, back to summary. So what do we have here? We've got a 56% profitable, and we have a profit factor of 3.42. And if you're interested in any of the other values, they're all here, including Sharpe ratio, K ratio, average drawdown, and anything else you would want to know. Okay, I'm going to stop here.